How you guys doing, man? This is your boy Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Today we are out checking some commercial properties, and basically what we're gonna do is just kind of touch up things and make things look a little bit better. Is after the holidays, and again, our goal is to ensure that our commercial properties are pristine. I'm not talking about looking good. I want my pristine look on my commercial properties. Now, I'm gonna try to film as much as possible, but again, short vlog, let you guys see exactly what I do on the my commercial properties, some of them anyway, certain tasks. I'm gonna show you real quick. This is one of them, and this is the front view. And basically what I'm gonna do is, you see those sago palms right there, 1 2 3, and then here, bam bam, we're gonna trim everything in the bottom and just leave the ones on the top poking out, and that will give us that pristine look. And so you guys, for you guys that don't know, king sago palms, they their leaves come out in a center, so they flourish from the center and then they open up. So we trim on the sides and take everything off the bottom, and they look extremely better. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. There are different tools that you can utilize to maintain these sago palms, king sago palms. But one tool that I kind of find real easy to utilize, and it works real good, guys, is this right here, my Milwaukee hand tool. This thing works real good, guys. So, and then I have my pruners. Let me tell you guys, for those who need to buy some pruners, try these Echo pruners. They're real good, man. I like these things. Awesome job. Try them out. And my knee pad, guys, let me tell you, when you get to my age, you gotta have knee pads. The cement will tear your butt up. And heavy duty gloves. And my tarp. All right, let's get hot. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. And this is all the debris. And believe it or not, this is debris from 6 months. We do ours every 6 months, and this is all the debris. So imagine for those people who don't actually maintain theirs. So we have these, and we have the ones down over there. And we also maintain that other hotel over there.